Well, at very first, just look at this video before I like this before was the original clip, and this after I have edited it with the face swap face fusion 3.0. Like literally, this tool has shaken the whole internet. Literally, I am saying like just look at the accuracy, guys. Nobody will say that this is fake. So in this today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can download this exact tool for free in your Windows PC or anything, and I'll also show you two ways, okay, two different ways. First one is how you can download it totally in your device, and second is even though if you don't want to download, I'll also show you how you can access this from website. That's insane, right? Well, the whole tutorial video of this how to use it is on uploaded on my channel, and that video is already getting a lot of traction. So the main motive creating this video again on this topic is because I want to explain you the tutorial how you can download it first, because many of the guys are facing problem, I guess. So that's not a big deal though. So just follow the exact steps which I'm following here, and then yes, you are exactly ready to go. And trust me, this is the best tool I have ever used. So at very first, what you have to do is you have to search this Pinokio. The link you will get in the description for this, okay? You have to download it. So what is this? This is basically an software by which we will access our FaceFusion 3.0. Just like BlueStacks you download and then you download the Play Store apps and games. In the same way, the Pinokio is a software like BlueStacks which we will use to access the FaceFusion 3.0, right? You can just call it like a Play Store by which you can download various types of softwares just like the FaceFusion 3.0 I mentioned. So let me download it first. Like in this video, I'll show you each and every process very easily, okay? So as you can see, I have downloaded my zip file. So what you will do is you have to just extract it, and after extracting, just don't worry about this, it's all safe, okay? Just do it, run anyway, run the software, run the setup, right? Let it install neatly, and then after installation you are good to go with the another step. So at very first, this is a basic step, and in this I'm showing you how you can download the face fusion directly in your PC, okay? So as you can see, I can see the face fusion 3.2.0 here, and rather than this you get many of the apps here. Well, in the upcoming videos I'll also create various tutorials on these other apps too. So basically we have finally downloaded the Pinokio software, and this is how it looks. So what we'll do is we'll go to again discover, and yes, these apps other platforms also look awesome, and yes they are. So let's go with the face fusion 3.2.0. So after clicking on it, just you have to click on the install, and as you can see my rest of things are installed. But don't worry, even though if yours aren't installed, just click on the install your Windows or any of the thing you're using, it will download it automatically, no need to worry at all, okay? So as you can see, roughly it took me about 1 to 2 hours easily to get downloaded this, okay? So I'm fast forwarding the video here, and just make sure after downloading, after this installation process, you will get an URL link, okay? You have to access it through this URL. As you can see, running on local URL. After I clicked on the URL, then you can see the software is fully open, okay? So this was the method one in which you can download with the help of that step. Now if you don't want to download, how you can access it online? So as you can see, I have typed here Mimic PC. This is the website to access this software for free, yes, but you have the time limit here, okay? So that's not a big problem though. If you don't want to download it, just access it from the web. So as you can see, this link you will get in the direct description. Just click on that link, and I guess for max 30 minutes you can access this whole software from here. So as you can see, after clicking, after signing for free, now the machine is preparing the data and it will launch, I guess. Yes, we have to wait just 30 seconds to 2 minutes for the setup. Like uh, the whole software will be in the website form for us, and by which we can use this software easily. But the problem which I faced, like using this software in website mode, was the orientation. Like it's kind of minimized, which feels like irritating. So if you're downloading this face fusion in your device, that's a good thing. But yes, it will take time right? Because great things takes time. That's the fact. So that's why, even though if you're downloading it or you're accessing it from your web, that's not the big prop though. And as you can see, the timer has been started. Max to max 30 minutes you can access it in a one go. Okay. And all these options you can see here is already uploaded on my video. All the best tutorial how I created that before after video, it's already uploaded on my channel, so you can check it easily. Okay. So as you can see, in the target you have to upload the video on which you have to do the face swap, and then that's all. I have kept this video for download tutorial only. So well, we'll meet in the next video. Till that time, take care.